what I hope, if you happen to come up to this video, the point that we're trying to bring is eBay is a very underestimated platform. There's still billions of dollars being sold every year there. You have an opportunity to sell and make money there. My goal now is not just to make more videos for the beginner, but to give you guys actual tools, not just PDF, not just videos, but a tool that you can use and make money now. What were you saying?
Yeah, I was saying about the extension. Like, I think that's the only product like on the internet that can make you money free and like fast. Like, because as I was like build listing by myself manually, like I had sales in within few days. But with that software, you can list more items, and yeah, you can clearly make a lot of sales only from
And
using.
if I continuously show people how to find the items to sell, like
Yeah,
there will be no excuse.
yeah, exactly. Like if they're doing it.
It'll literally be the only place on the internet where you get your specific words. That's why I recorded. The only place on the internet where you can make money fast for free.
Yeah, exactly. Like I remember the first item I sell on eBay, I listed, and like the day after I sold it. It wasn't a dropship item, but just like so you can see how eBay is powerful. Like you can sell everything on eBay.
Yeah, and it's still people underestimate it.
Yeah, really.
So guys, what I hope, if you happen to come up to this video, the point that we're trying to bring is eBay is a very underestimated platform. There's still billions of dollars being sold every year there. You have an opportunity to sell and make money there. So what I'm doing, other than the videos and the training videos and the videos we make for like the intermediates and guys who are already in e-com sniper, because I'm aware that a lot of the videos we made recently was more to that. My goal now is not just to make more videos for the beginner, but to give you guys actual tools, not just PDF, not just videos, but a tool that you can use and make money now.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
this is one of the first, to be honest, on YouTube, and to you, Oliver. Let me tell you something. eBay dropshipping to me is boring as fuck, right? Like I've been doing this a very long time, like a very, very long time. And when I talk to you and you talk about how much money you make and how much it changed and you were not sure to like living and having fun and shit, I get excited because it reminded me of when I was there, but it was still a very long time ago. So I enjoy allowing, like telling you guys stories and like sharing it with the audience, right? But this free extension, this free tool is the first project I've worked on in years that I'm like personally, I like to market e-com sniper, but this I'm personally excited about.
Yeah, it is like
Because no one can tell me anything. I'm never selling it.
I think it will bring a lot of people in e-commerce, and that's an easy way to start having like real sales like for free within few days.
Yeah. So guys, yeah, this was an impromptu video. Like, subscribe. I'll put a link to talk to Oliver. I'll put a link so you early request to the free tool. If you're part of Ecom Sniper and you've seen this, there's no reason to get the free tool. It doesn't do anything that Ecom Sniper already does. But if you are a beginner, you don't want to take the risk, although joining Ecom Sniper, you have the first month you get your money back, so it's risk-free. But even if you don't want to take that risk, now you have a free tool to see that it works. So no one can say we're setting you up. No one can say we're setting you up to sell a course. We don't care about you guys. At Ecom Sniper, we make money if you make money, and we spend a lot of time building the community and working with you guys. And it's difficult to work with everyone, right? So giving you guys this free tool is just more things you're like, okay, I can make money. There's a community of people that are making money. We can work together. So I'm just hoping that you guys take the tool, take the advantage of the opportunity here, make money, join whichever of the free or paid communities that you want, and let's make money together. Have a good one, guys. Anything before you go, Oliver, you want to say?
Yeah, just let's list the maximum items you can, guys.
Yeah. What do you think about the tool?
It's like and how it's work, it's look really simple to list item quick, and doing it manually is really like you need to take all the photos and everything. So I think it's really
Dude, even with the error, it would save you 90% of the time.
yeah of the time and the work, like because you have to do it manually and like take the photo and everything, bro. I know I did it a lot, like, and yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's a lot for free.
All right, well, I'm having fun giving away a lot for free. So you guys check it out. I'll leave the links later.